Friends, today we are going to talk about Uposatha days. Now, what are these Uposatha days? Uposatha days are those days which are observed by lay people and monks on the new moon days or the full moon days. These are days of reflection, meditation, and commitment to the teachings of the Buddha. Now, there are certain precepts which the lay people and the monks take affirmation during these days. The monks read all their rules which are supposed to be meant for them, 227 rules which are known as the Patimokkha rules, which they recite it during these days. Lay people take this opportunity of visiting the monastery and give special offerings to the monks and also help out in the monastery, and for many people they stay there in the monastery because they have to observe these precepts which are laid down for good moral conduct. Now let us see what are these 8 precepts. The first precept is, I vow not to engage in killing any living creature. Now not only killing but also involving cooking and eating non-vegetarian food on that day. The second precept is to not involve in taking whatever is not given. So it is like avoiding stealing and also carelessly taking something else which is not meant for us. The third one is to avoid involving in any sexual misconduct. The fourth one is to there should be no false speech. Now false speech not only means telling the untruth but also not involving in telling slanderous speech or harsh speech. The fifth precept which people take on these days is not to have any intoxicants. And sixth precept which is taken is eating outside the time. Eating outside the time means not eating after noon. So the people at the monastery eat only till 12 o'clock and then the next meal is in the morning, next day morning. Then the next precept is not to involve in any kind of dancing, music, having wearing garlands, perfumes, anything which would involve cosmetics. So people, lay people generally wear white clothes during this day, avoid perfumes. The last precept, the 8th precept which the lay followers take and the monks take, is to avoid high sleeping and luxurious beds. So they sleep on the floor. So these are the Uposatha vows. When I look at these vows, it really is something which you take for increasing your vows, for following the rules which are given by the Buddha and which are helping us having good moral conduct. So this is the Uposatha vows which is followed by many people in different Buddhist countries. May all beings be happy.